Hello everyone, I do hope you're well and having a great day. Hello to all the new subscribers, it's lovely to have you here. I've got some Huggies. These are lever back earrings. They just open like this. That's one closed. They've got little loops on the bottom. So I'm going to make 4 pairs today. Now I've gone ahead and created some jewellery cards for these types of earrings. These are just cards I've made myself. This is a lever back earring display card cutter. I absolutely love this and I do sell them. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, which I'll link for you. So I've got 2 pairs of pliers, 5mm jump rings. Now these earrings, I've got to say, are 24 carat gold plated and they're currently £1 a pair on the website, which is fantastic value. And these are the cake charms. Now, I showed these on a previous video. They are enamel charms. I have got a close-up which I'll show as I go through. These remind me of pieces of birthday cake, so these are going to be birthday cake earrings. We've got some pink donuts and we've got 2 cupcake designs. These are very good. They've got a realistic cherry on top. Again, all these are on the website. And I've got 2 pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings. I do have a video all about jump rings if you're new to jewellery making. But these are very simple to do. We'll do the donut ones first of all. So we take a jump ring and open. There we go. So I'm now going to thread the charm onto the earring. And you choose the bit that goes in the ear, which is that side. So I'm going to pop those on there. And then close. There's that one. Same again. These are so small. I should really put my glasses on. I'm always saying that. So just like last time, attach the charm. These are open. I'm going to leave them open because I'm going to be putting them on the cards. This goes through the ear, so we attach them like that and then close. So I'm just going to carry on and do the rest of these. Thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.